Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss few terms and some of their applications in the study of human population. In this first term which I am going to take is demography. Demography is made up of two words. Demos means people and graphos means measurement. Demography is the study of human populations, their size, composition and distribution across space, and the process through which populations change. Births, deaths and migration are the big three of demography, jointly producing population stability or change. So, it is statistical study of human population. Now, the next term which we will take, that is population density. Question is, what is population density? It is the number of people per square kilometer. Number of people per square kilometer or per unit area. By using this formula, we can find population density, total population upon area of a country in square kilometer. How to find population density? By this formula, total population upon area of a country in square kilometer. Towns and larger cities have a greater population density than the rural areas. If we see country-wise density, in Netherlands, 507 people per kilometer square. The 2019 population density in the Netherlands is 507 people per kilometer square. European city, state of Monaco is the most densely populated country with a population density of 26,150 people per square kilometer. If we see the population density of Japan in 2019, it was 335.64 people per square kilometer. Now next one, US. The population density of US in 2019 was 33.47 people per square kilometer, a 0.6% increase from 2018. The population density of US in 2018 was 33.27 people per square kilometer, a 0.62% increase from 2017. Now what about our India? The population density in India is 464 people per kilometer square. Let's see next term, birth rate or natality. It is the number of live births per 1,000 people of population per year. Clear children? Birth rate or natality is the number of live births per 1,000 people of population per year. For example, if there were 440 live births in a population of 20,000, how many live births? 440 live births, and the population is 20,000. You know that we see live births per 1,000 people. Here it is 20,000. So we will divide by 20. Live birth 440 divided by 20. The birth rate would be 22. Clear children? The birth rate will be 22. Now the next term is death rate or mortality. It is the number of deaths per 1,000 of population per year. Death rate or mortality, both are same, is the number of deaths per 1,000 of population per year. Registration of births and deaths is compulsory in our country. Countries need to know how many people are born and die each year and the main causes of their deaths in order to have well-functioning health systems. The only way to count everyone and to track all births and deaths is through civil registration. Civil registration provides the basis for individual legal identity but also allows countries to identify their most pressing health issues. Growth rate of population. It is the difference between the birth rate and the death rate. What is growth rate of population? It is the difference between the birth rate and the death rate. As long as the birth rate exceeds the death rate, the population grows. Clear, children? If birth rate exceeds the death rate, the population grows. If the birth rate is lower than the death rate, the population declines.